What's going on, guys? Clayton coming at you again from Two Way Direct. Today I'm here to talk about something really exciting. Today we have a Hytera VM780. This is a body cam remote speaker mic. This thing can capture up to 9 hours of audio and visual while also being able to transmit at the same time. The push to talk goes out over cellular to either groups or individuals. This can stream over 3G, 4G, or Wi-Fi for live video to a command center. Now, this device is perfect for first responders, and we see a lot of interest in these in our security teams as well. The camera for this device rotates at 216 degrees, giving it versatility for whoever's using it. Now, if you want to check out this device, visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893 and let us outfit your team with the body cams they need. Stay safe, everyone.